What defines a war crime under IHL? Imagine a world where the rules of war are respected, protecting those who cannot fight back. Unfortunately, this is not always the case. War crimes are serious violations of international humanitarian law committed during armed conflicts. These crimes breach the rules set by treaties like the Geneva Conventions and customary international law. They aim to regulate how wars are fought and to protect civilians, prisoners of war, and the wounded. To understand what defines a war crime, we need to look at several key elements. First, the act must take place during an armed conflict, whether international or non-international. The person committing the act must know that a conflict exists. Next, war crimes target protected persons and objects. This includes civilians, medical staff, and prisoners of war. These individuals deserve protection under the Geneva Conventions. Serious violations of the laws and customs of war also define war crimes. This includes actions like the willful killing of protected persons, torture, and causing great suffering. Other serious violations include the extensive destruction of property not justified by military necessity, forcing prisoners to serve in hostile forces, and taking hostages. Another important aspect is command responsibility. Military commanders or civilian leaders can be held accountable if they ordered or failed to prevent war crimes committed by their forces. This means that leadership plays a crucial role in enforcing the laws of war. When it comes to enforcement and accountability, war crimes can be prosecuted by international tribunals, such as the International Criminal Court, or national courts exercising universal jurisdiction. The Rome Statute outlines many war crimes and the conditions for holding individuals criminally responsible. In practical terms, these rules help protect civilians and combatants who are out of the fight from violence and abuse. Violations of these laws undermine the protections guaranteed by international humanitarian law and can lead to criminal charges. So, a war crime under international humanitarian law is defined by the nature of the act, the protected status of the victim, the context of armed conflict, and the intent of the perpetrator. Understanding these elements is vital for ensuring accountability and justice in times of war.